Do you want to know how to buy Bitcoin and other crypto easily even if you're a complete beginner? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have worked online for years, and crypto is a natural way of earning and investing, and a lot of people have asked me if they're a complete beginner, how can they actually buy Bitcoin or other crypto? So therefore I decided to record this video here where I will show you a very easy method to do that, where you can just do a few clicks and then you will be able to get it. And the thing is that you do not have to buy a full Bitcoin. Sometimes people think that, but you can buy for as little as, for example, $5 or $10 or something like that. So that's also one thing to consider. But let's now dive deeper into how you do this the easiest way. So as a beginner, the easiest way to buy crypto is by joining exchange, and one of the easiest ones to use, in my opinion, is crypto.com. You can see I'm on the website now. It has an app, and I've talked about it before because I think it is very user-friendly. It has some great options, and it just makes it easy to both buy, sell crypto, to receive crypto, to also even earn passively inside there. And if you decide to use crypto.com to do this, then the first thing you need to do is to create a free account. So it is completely free. You just need to download the app and create your account. And I will also leave my invitation link below and my code. If you use that, you can also get a really great joining bonus if you join through that. But let me now log into the app, and then I will show you, once you have an account there, how you can then buy and sell crypto. I just also first want to make it clear that this is not financial advice. So I'm not telling you to buy Bitcoin or any other crypto at a specific time, because that's up to yourself to decide what you think the future of it is, if you think it's a good investment. So I'm not a financial advisor. What I will show you is just how you can do it easily if you decide you want to invest in crypto. So let me now log in and show you. So I have now logged in, and it's very easy to get started. You can see there's a buy and there's a sell button, and there's also a trade button at the bottom there. So in this case, you wanted to buy, you would just click buy, and then you would just find the crypto. It has a ton of different cryptos you can buy, but in this case, let's talk about Bitcoin. And then you can see here, then this screen comes up and you have different options. You can see you can pay in cash, and you can, for example, connect your bank account. So which currency it's in, that depends on your country where you live. But you can basically just transfer money from your bank account into your crypto.com account, and that way it's also connected. So that means that if you at some point want to withdraw, you can also easily withdraw to the same bank account there. And then that can sometimes be easier and with less fees if you actually transfer money from your bank account into your crypto.com account, if your bank allows that. Some banks don't allow that, you would have to check that, but then you would have it here, and you could just choose that you would pay with that account, whatever you would have there. You can also pay with, for example, Google Pay. It's super easy that you can actually connect your Google Pay and then pay with that. I do like to have that option. And you can also, for example, add payment method, and that means, as you can see here, you could add a debit or credit card. Just always be aware here, for example, there is a fee. There is a fee on basically all platforms where you buy and sell crypto, because that's how they make money. It's free to have the accounts there and all that. So that's just something to be aware of. And you can see it has a weekly limit that is quite high. So if you're a complete beginner, you probably do not have to worry about that. But all there is then to do is to choose the amount. You can choose here a preset amount here, or you can also up here just write either the amount of dollars. You can click over here, so you can also see, like, okay, the amount of dollars you want, you would just click that there. And then here you would click whether it's one time, so that means at the current rate you just buy here and now. That's the one-time one. You also have recurring buys, so this is also what's called DCA, dollar cost averaging. So that means that you, for example, can say, like, every day I want to buy $10 of Bitcoin, or every week for $10, every week $100 or $500. You can do whatever you want. So then you don't have to try to time the market. You just said, like, that you want to every day, every week, every other week, every month, whatever it is, buy for a certain amount, and then you can just let it do that. And you can also set the limit order, so that means that you will buy when Bitcoin reaches a certain price. Just like, okay, if it reaches this level here, then I want to buy for this amount, and then you don't have to sit and keep an eye on the market. You can do the same when you're selling, so you can say like, okay, I'll buy if it comes here, and then you can set once you buy, you can just select when it reaches this level, you want to take profit and you want to sell a certain amount. So I really like this system. It's super easy also to set these limit orders and recurring buys compared to many other platforms where you can buy and sell crypto. So I do like that aspect of it. If you have crypto already somewhere else or get crypto center, so you can also just use crypto to actually buy other crypto, so you basically will swap. For example, also I have some videos here on my channel and also some content on my website where I show free ways to earn Bitcoin. You can do small tasks and then you can get paid in Bitcoin. You could, for example, choose to then get paid into your Bitcoin account here, or if it's another crypto, you would get paid into it then, and then you could pay with that if you want to swap it to another crypto. So that's also something you could do. I'll leave a link below also to a list I have on my website of free ways to earn Bitcoin if that's something you're interested in. But that's basically all there is to it. That is how easy it is to then buy and sell crypto, even as you can see here. And then you can just leave it there, sell it when you want to, or keep it for a long time if you think Bitcoin will do well for in the long run. You can also in here sometimes like stake or put it in the earn section, so you will actually earn interest when you have crypto standing in here. I have a full video also where I talk more about the different ways to earn inside the crypto.com app. So if you decide to use it, I encourage you to check that out also, so you can get the most out of it. I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can check that video out also. So as you can see, if you're a complete beginner, it is actually very easy to buy crypto. I recommend if you're a complete beginner, you use an exchange that you trust. Personally, I really do think crypto.com and the app is super user-friendly and great for beginners. And as mentioned also, if you do join through my invitation link, you will also get a potentially really great joining bonus, and you will support my channel at the same time, and I would definitely appreciate that support. So you can check that out below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.